Welcome to Magical Storytime. One sunny morning, Chef Whisker was busy making breakfast in his cozy kitchen. As he flipped a pancake, he accidentally sprinkled a bit of his magic baking powder on it. Suddenly, the pancake blinked, wiggled, and exclaimed, "I'm alive. And I'm outta here." Pip the Pancake jumped out of the pan and started rolling across the kitchen counter. "Catch that pancake," shouted Chef Whisker, grabbing Fluffy the fork to help him. Fluffy, as clumsy as ever, tripped over a rolling pin and tumbled into a ball of blueberries. "Oops, I'm a fork, not a roller," he said, covered in purple juice. Pip laughed so hard he nearly unrolled. "You'll never catch me, Chef Whisker," he teased, bouncing onto the table and using a slice of butter as a makeshift slide. Chef Whisker huffed and puffed, chasing Pip around the kitchen. But every time he got close, Pip would slip away. At one point, Chef accidentally stepped into a ball of pancake batter, getting stuck. "Looks like the tables have turned," joked Pip, rolling in circles. Finally, Fluffy came up with an idea. "Let's ask Pip to come back nicely," he said. "Maybe he just wants to have fun." Chef Whisker sighed and said, "All right, Pip. Would you like to join us for breakfast as the star of the meal?" Pip thought for a moment and replied, I have a better idea. How about I stay, but we turn breakfast into a game of pancake tag every morning?" Chef Whisker agreed, and from that day on, the kitchen was always filled with laughter, syrupy slides, and the most fun breakfast adventures ever. Thanks for joining us on Magical Storytime. Remember, even the smallest things, like a pancake, can turn into the biggest adventures. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more magical stories. See you next time.